Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be fishing at the same creek I fished at for my other videos. This time I'm not going to be searching for animals. I'm going to be doing other stuff. I'm going to actually go fishing. I put my rod in the water. So yeah, let's check it out. I think I just caught a fish. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a small one, but a fish is a fish. Look at it. Dang. That's small. Okay, so after I got that fish, gonna rig back up, cast back out, let's do the same thing over again. I know I'm gonna catch a fish on this cast. Oh, if I can actually cast properly. I know I'm gonna catch a fish on this cast. I know it. So, yep, I have a fish on. It looks like a creek chub from the waters, and guess what it is? A creek chub. Look at that head. It has like these weird spikes. Comment down below and tell me what it is. Not sure? So, yeah. I'm gonna throw it back. We got this. Okay. Going out for another cast. This is gonna catch a fish. This drops perfect and something's on it. Up. Caught something. This is another creek chub. Small, like super small, but fish is a fish. It has 5 fins to help them. That's a lot. Creek chubs, in this creek there's creek chubs, bass, a lot of other things too. I'm using my bait to the end. There's barely anything left, but the fish are still attacking it. They're still attacking. Okay, that cast was perfect. Something's on it. Okay, let's see. Darn, my bait got snagged. That's okay. I think something's on it. Oh, my bait fell off. I need to get more bait. Sorry about all the shakiness, but yeah. Okay. This is the chicken I'm using. Or just hook, just hook it on like this. I'm gonna rip off a tiny little piece. Just hook this on like this. Even smaller, dang. Put this, hook it on like that. Okay, good to go. Plenty of hook point exposed. Let's start casting. Okay, got to the spot. Cast it out. This is perfect. I'm just gonna let it start flowing out. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Caught it, caught it. Okay, catch it. I need to up my drag. Holding it down. Okay. Is this the same fish? Not sure. Okay. Well, caught it. Why not? Okay. Oh, something was flashing. I saw it. It bit. I switched to a worm and oh gosh, it's fighting. Oh shoot, it's another creek chub, but this one's bigger. I know we haven't caught the biggest, but yeah, we're catching them. There's a huge spike in creek chubs this year. Like, they used to be so uncommon here, but now we're catching them all the time. Okay, I'm back. Had another good cast. Oh, something has it. Oh, this one's big. Oh, it's still on. Oh, shoot. This one's bigger. Definitely. This one's definitely bigger. Look at that monster. At least for the creek. Okay. Let's catch some more. Oh shoot. Oh, it's flopping, it's flopping, it's flopping. Trying to get you off, boy. Trying to get you off. Oh. Okay. Splash back in the water. Let's catch another one. I think I just caught a catfish. I think I just caught a catfish. Ooh. Caught a catfish. I'm not sure I'm going to get this off, but we will try. We will try. Okay, so we just caught a catfish. First catfish in the video of my whole series. So that's going to be in our final video. So, yeah. Keep fishing. Let's have fun. Guys. I just cast it off recording, and I think I have a big fish. Like, humongous. Dang! It's pulling. I need on my drag. Oh, shoot. Dang! He's humongous. Look how big my hook is in his mouth. And look how big this guy is. Look at him. He's gigantic. So we're gonna go for, we do catch and release here. Sometimes we don't do catch and release, but this time he's too worthy of being just wasted.